Hey guys, it's Sydney and welcome back to my channel. So today I am vlogging, clearly. I really hope that the camera is focused and that it's on me because I have it just sitting on my dashboard on a tripod. Because I am on my way to the salon right now and I am chopping my hair off. I've just kind of like, I just need to chop my hair off. It's been long, for so long. I need something new, I need something fresh, something that like says like, maybe she's going through something, you know? Like what is she doing with her hair? But like, it's cute, you know? That's what I need. So yeah, I'm gonna vlog the whole thing and my hairstylist, Brittany, she's amazing, so you guys will see her. But yeah, so keep on watching to go on this little hair chopping journey with me. But yeah, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, it's just gonna keep on rolling. I'm like literally holding my, like the end of my tripod so it stays on my dashboard as I'm driving. I mean, it's a lot more safe than like holding my camera itself, you know? Yeah, we're making it work. In the chair, it's happening.
It is happening.
It is happening. Say hi.
Hey. I can't believe this is happening.
We're chopping it off. So long.
And these roots, can we talk about them?
Oh my gosh, yeah. My roots.
Crazy.
So bad. Needs help. SOS.
Did you tell your parents?
Yeah, I told my mom, look how short! Ah! It's so short. Wait, I feel like I'm gonna love this.
Oh yeah.
The comparison, like with this side and this side.
Let's leave it.
Let's leave it like that.
I think we can just start a new
trend.
called the asymmetrical bob.
Yep. See it on Pinterest.
Oh yeah. Do first.
It's so short. I'm kind of obsessed. Oh my goodness. It's not done yet. We're still gonna do more to it, but it is so short. Will it focus? Look at how healthy that is. Oh my hair casually all over. Oh my goodness.
Work it.
Just work it.
Work it.
Oh my gosh, it's so cute on you.
I'm so obsessed.
Do a 360.
Look at that.
Yes. Show off the back. Maybe play with the back of your hair.
Okay, so I just got home from the salon and I am so obsessed with my hair. Like, I never thought that I would go this short again. Like, my hair was this short in like middle school and I didn't like it because it was just like a bad haircut. But the length looks good and I am so happy. Like, change just needed to happen. I'm obsessed with the color. It's like a white, silvery, almost gray blonde. And I am just so obsessed. I feel like a new human. She really, my girl Britt, she really got everything I was looking for, like always. Yeah, and I'm really obsessed. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog on me getting my little hair transformation. My hair hasn't been this short in like literally almost 10 years. Ew, that sounds old for me to say that. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram, follow Britt on Instagram. I'll leave all of her info down below because she is amazing. Yeah, and just have a wonderful day. You know, maybe cut your hair or something. I don't know. Okay, love you guys. Bye.